How to see Valorant store on phone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Valorant store. Tons of different applications will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and then you will find this application, Valorant Tracker. What you want to do is simply install this application on a device. Once this application has been installed on a device, open the app. It will land you on the homepage of Valorant Tracker. First of all, you need to log into your Valorant account. Once you log into your Valorant account, it will land you on this interface. In this page, you will be able to view a detailed history of your recent Valorant matches, including scores, death ratios, and other key statistics. Likewise, you will be able to analyze your performance with specific agents and weapons. It can also compare your statistics with other players in various categories, such as kills, wins, and more. It will help you to gauge your standing within the Valorant community. It will help you to gain insights into your performance on different maps. It will also identify your strengths and weaknesses on each map to tailor your strategies accordingly. Likewise, in this app, you will also be able to use your Valorant points, which is the in-game premium currency bought with the real money to make purchases in the store. Well, players can also use Radianite points to upgrade certain skins and unlock additional customization options. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see Valorant store on the phone. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.